Oh, sweet. He had like 4 minutes left. That was sweet. Okay. Just about to send notices to somewhere else. SL. All right, guys. This is a song by Coldplay called Fix You. I'm in my PJs. It's like 2 o'clock. No, it's 3 o'clock. I gotta get ready for work soon. Okay. Anyway, shut up and sing. I get it. When you try your best and you don't succeed, when you get all you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, so get a reverse. When the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. High above or down below, when you're too in love, let it go. If you never try, then you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. Oops. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face now. Yeah, yeah. Tears stream down your face. I promise you that I'll learn from my mistakes. Tears stream down your face. Yeah, yeah. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. And I will try to fix you. All right, guys.